Okay guys, so in your experiment you took your cup of water and you poured as much salt into it as possible, and you were shocked by how much fitted in. It was amazing and you're like, wow, how did it all fit inside? Well, I'm going to show you. The thing is, these water particles, if you look really closely, there's little gaps in between each water particle. No, you can't see, they're too small. So instead of having those, what I've got is this cup of marbles, which I found inside the prep room. Some poor child has lost their marbles, maybe some of the teachers too, and here they are inside this beaker. Don't they sound lovely? Now, if you look really carefully, let's just tilt my camera down, you can see that in between each marble there's a little bit of a gap. And so this is going to represent my water particles with tiny gaps between each water particle. Obviously they're flowing over each other, so that's flowing. Turn it around so you don't have to see the Pyrex label. It's flowing around. It's moving around quite happily. As you can see, it flows out. It flows happily. Bit of a splash there. But then we can take our solute. Now, instead of using the same solute as you've used, I'm using silica, sand. So here's my little cup of sand. I've managed to get somebody's paint pot. I don't know how I've managed to get it, but brilliant. But then, let's tilt down a little bit. Here we go. We've got our sand be able to dissolve in between the particles. Oh, a little shake there of water. I'm still pouring. Oh, still going in. It's not a magic trick. Still going. Still going. There's a bit of soil in there actually. Must have had some compost in my sand drawer. There's actually dust coming up from this sand. Don't know if you can see it. Still pouring, 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 still pouring. Oh, slowing down, there's a little shake. Pouring, 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 pouring. Oh, there's a big stone there as well. It's pouring, 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 pouring. There, look. We've managed to fill up all the gaps in between my water particles, which are marbles, with my solute as it's dissolved and being surrounded by them. Isn't that amazing? We've managed to squeeze it in. It's actually quite heavy now, and because I'm not feeling very strong, I will put it away now. I'm not actually sure how I'm going to separate them out. That'll be my next challenge. Okay, have a nice one. Take care. Make sure you write something into your notes to that effect. Bye.